Hi, this is Caleb from Caleb and Carol Real Estate, and in today's video we're going to share with you what are the fees involved for you to buy a resale HDB or a resale condo, or the cash CPF loan amount that you need to purchase one, including all the minor fees that's applicable. Okay, so do contact us if you need any clarifications on this slide and this video. So at the end of this video, you will learn a few things. Find out what are the fees involved when you buy a HDB condo, find out what's payable by CPF and what's by cash, and find out how much you need to prepare before you buy a property. So let's assume a few things. You're a Singaporean buyer, you're purchasing your first property, you do not own any other real estate property in Singapore or overseas at the point of purchase, and you're using a bank loan for your financing. Okay, how much does an average HDB cost? Let's assume just 400,000. Okay, so for 400,000, you need, other than the 400,000 that you need to pay, what is the additional payment? You can use CPF or cash to pay. These are a stamp duty, which is when you purchase a property, you need to pay stamp duty to the government. Second, which is the private lawyer conveyancing fee, because you're taking a bank loan, you need to pay a lawyer conveyancing fee. The mortgage stamp fee for taking out a loan, you need to pay another stamp fee to the government as well. Next, it's the cash only payment. This includes the valuation fees, the HDB administrative fees, and the property tax reimbursement. It depends on when you buy. If you buy at the start of the year, you need to pay a higher property tax because the previous owner has already paid for the property tax already, and the property agent fee should you use one. The total extra payment is about 13,780. So how all this adds up is that total breakdown payment of the 400k plus 13,780 will be as such. First, you take up a loan of 75% of purchase price, which is 300,000. Second is that you use your CPF. CPF you can use. There's no minimum nor maximum of the CPF you can use. You can usually people take up 20% of the purchase price plus the possible CPF payment, which is explained just now in the previous slide, 6,006, 2,002, $500 mortgage stamp fee, which works up to be 89,300. The cash involved, 5% of purchase price is a minimum that you need to come up with. If you want to come up more, it's also okay. Then and the cash only payment which I shared with you just now, which is about $4,480. So total it's about $24,480. This is the breakdown for the resale payment, resale HDB that you are purchasing. Okay, so what if you are buying a condo? How much does an average 3-bedroom condo cost? Let's assume that it's 1.2 million. 1.2 million. This will be the breakdown, and the additional payment would be similarly CPF or cash you need to pay, stamp duty. This is the formula, 4% of 1.2 million minus $15,400, that's $32,600. The average private lawyer fee, that's another 2,500. If there's a mortgage stamp fee, you also need to pay 500 stamp fee as well. Whereas for cash only payment, there is a lesser things you need to pay. Valuation fee, that's $300. Then property tax reimbursement, which is similar. And lastly, mortgage loan insurance, which is about $160, which the bank will require you to have it. Total extra payment is approximately 36,000 because the stamp duty is a lot higher for condo payment as well. Okay. So total breakdown of this will be 1.236. Same way to calculate it. First way, it's loan, 75% of purchase price, that's 900,000. Second way, CPF will be 20% of purchase price plus the possible CPF payment, that's about 275,600. And lastly, cash, that's 5% of purchase price plus cash only payment, that's about $60,460. So if you have any questions, do give us a call or follow us on Facebook. We'll be sharing videos very frequently, and if you have any questions, do let us know, and we hope to hear from you soon. If you find this video helpful, do like and share with your friends. Or if you have any questions, comment it in the Facebook comments, and we will answer this soon. Thank you. Goodbye.